Hello friends, this video we are going to look how we can create for international securities account. Okay, this is for UAE registered broker. Okay, for DFM as well as ADX registered broker for international securities. Okay, that is application how we can create for brokerage account. That is what we are going to look in this video. Many registered brokerage will be there, but international security having less fee while compare with other. That's the reason I am opening that one. From the next video we can look whatever brokerage firms will be there. Okay, and suppose if you don't like international securities, you can open for some other account also. Okay, and from here we can look each and every step how we can open for international securities account. At the end of this video, the common queries normal people have, right? So those queries as well as the explanation I have provided over there. Okay, you can look as a whole video. Again, if you have any query, you can comment below, I will answer to you. Okay, let me see. Okay, you can go to Play Store. Just you can type it for international securities. Okay, this is what the applications. Once downloaded, it will open like this. Okay, from the application you cannot do all the steps. Okay, so what you need to do, you can click over here, join us now. At the end it is available, right? You can click that one, join us now, and it will go for browser. What is a browser you have, from there it will go, and this is what the initial page it will open, and from here it will mention what is the information should be required while you're going to open for this account. Either passport or national ID and stamp dated IBAN certificate along with your bank, as well as if you're a UAE resident, you require for family book, and if you're a other resident apart from UAE, then you should have for bank statement along with the stamp, and how much amount you are investing, that proof should be required. Okay, in your wealth certificate should be required, that proof you need to attach for opening this international account. Once you are agreeing all those things, you can click as agree over here. Okay, you can keep it ready for all the document, and after that you can create this account, and it will show for document verification whatever the image you are uploading. Okay, for passport as well as Emirates ID and everything else, a clear photograph should be required, otherwise it will be rejected. Okay, that is what the warning sign it has been given. And for the national ID, so national ID for EID, so suppose if you're uploading for other ID, in a sense, you can upload for India, you can choose it. Okay, so for EID, national ID will be UAE, so I am choosing for United Arab Emirates. From their search option it's not available, that's the reason I am tracking over here. So this is required for application upgrade. I am suggesting for international securities team, and you can click as verify, it will go over there. So your get ready with your identity card. So I am having for Emirates ID, so I am clicking as start, and the front page has been scanned, and it will show for the back. Okay, in the back side of identity card also scanned. So once completed those steps, it will go for the further actions. So the further steps will be there, lot of steps will be there for creating this account. The initial step for financial and employment information, totally 6 steps you need to complete for completing this account. Employment status, whether you are employed or not employed. Okay, and what's your annual income, and how you are getting, through salary you are getting, or through end of your benefit you are getting, or through business you are getting. So what is thing you are mentioning, along with the proof you need to attach. Okay, relevant supporting document for your income as well as for the wealth you need to attach, as well as total net asset. Okay, how much of asset you are having, and account specified for investment, how much of amount you are investing, that is for 5,000, 10,000, or 100 or something like that. Okay, minimum you can do it for 500. Okay, so depends upon your investment amount you have to mention over there. From the second step, declaration and risk assessment. Okay, the first query they are asking, if you're a director of any company, okay, any financial market, or if there is a wife of that particular person, that you need to mention, or else do you have a position of chairman, board member, or employee brokerage any brokerage company you are running. or not. Okay, or else you are a relative of that brokerage company owner. Okay, that you need to mention it. And if you're a political background or US citizen, as you are a tax resident, if yes in a sense, you can give us yes or else no. Okay, that is what the second. And third will be trading preferences. Trading preferences, what's your understanding for the trading? Okay, from here they will ask you a couple of query related to trading, margin account, as well as derivative trading. Okay, suppose if you have a knowledge, this answer you need to give for a genuine. Okay, that's a purpose. So that's the reason I'm not telling what answer you need to provide over here. Just you can read it. Okay, if you understand what's the understanding you have personally, that answer you can give it while you're opening for the account. Simply I will show you whatever question they are asking. Suppose you did not have enough knowledge, you can learn it, and after that you can open for this account. That's the reason I'm showing here. Okay, so you have a knowledge about the stock and what's a preferred stock and common stock, and exchange detail, you know what a stock exchange and how it is functioning. Okay, that kind of detail they are asking. Have you ever invested in individual stock before? If you invested in a sense, you can give us as, or if you're not invested in a sense, you can give us no. Okay, and S&P 500, the indices normally people know. S&P in a sense, Standard and Poor. Okay, and Nasdaq, you know the US stock exchange will be. Okay, and what is a common understanding of stock market volatility and potential impact of stock prices? Volatility in a sense, the movement of the share price. So what's your knowledge and fundamental analysis? Through the fundamental analysis, you know how to evaluate the stock and how they are distributing for the dividend and how you can make it for investment decisions. Okay, those kind of queries they will ask. And Abu Dhabi Stock Exchange, if you have a stock exchange investor number, if you have, you can click as yes, because I have already. I created through Shami app. Through the Shami app I have already. That's the reason I'm giving over there. Suppose if you don't have, you can click as no, I want to create. Okay, and another one, Dubai Financial one, I don't have, so that's the reason I'm clicking as I want account for Dubai Financial, Dubai Stock Exchange. So through this you can get it for investor number of ADX as well as Dubai Financial Market also. That will be helpful in one brokerage account. You can get it for two investors numbers. Okay, as well as they will ask you a couple of query related to margin account. That is margin account, you know, option trading. Okay, that will be riskier. So couple of query they will ask you, what is option trading, what is call option and put option, what is derivative. Okay, such kind of query they will ask you. Based on that you can answer it. Suppose if you have a experience in stop loss order and future order and hedging for derivative tradings. Okay, so genuinely you can answer it. Suppose if you have a knowledge about it or don't have a knowledge. Okay, so I know those details, so that's the reason I'm answering over here. Suppose if you don't have, you can click as no. So then you can click it, and for the signature you should have already for the soft copy. Okay, that soft copy you can attach over there, and from here also you can sign it in your signature. What you have been attached as the same signature, you can put it here and click as next. So whatever you have given for the answer, everything will show over there, and 3 pop-up box you can click and click as submit. This is what the final step. Okay, once submitted it will show you for thank you information. Okay, then you can wait. For me it takes for 10 days for creating this account. So based on your answer, based on your document submission, it will take for time. If everything is proper, within 3 days or 4 days, within a week it will be created, I think so. Okay, and what is the difficulties I faced while creating this account? They asked same query for plenty of time. The account statement they asked many times, even though I attached over there, as well as for the wealth certificate information. Certificate information, or else on the salary certificate. Okay, as well as clear copy. Suppose if you're a homemaker, they will ask you for sponsor visa copy. Okay, as well as for Emirates ID, that is required for accepting those things. Okay, whoever can create, I told you know, UAE resident, as well as for other resident also can create. So these are all the document will be compulsory. You can make it ready before creating for this account. Okay, and I sent couple of email to those people. After that only the account has been created. While compared to India, they are asking plenty of queries. Okay, this kind of queries, I don't think so. The person have a money, but they think to create for account, they never create. I think so. But while compared to India, India is very user friendly, right? The person having money as well as for the what is that? The credential for identity card and everything, they can create easily. But from here, they are asking each and everything. So it means if you have a knowledge, you can create. If you don't have a knowledge, it means not required to trade. That doesn't mean their queries and everything will be there. Anyhow, you can try it. You can try. Suppose the people already invested in India and all, it's very easier for you. Okay. Best of luck. Suppose if you have any query, you can drop a comment. I will give a response to you. Thank you, friends. Thank you for watching this. Bye.